So you may not know this, but phase cancellation could be ruining your mix. You could be greatly reducing the overall energy or the volume of a track or the mix itself. So how do you find and fix phase issues? So using a free VST plugin called Span, which you can see here, by a company called Voxengo. It's been around for a while. Lots of people have it, but if you don't, it's free. So you could download it. And I have a link in the description for you to download for free. The first thing you want to do is look at the correlation meter. So in this tutorial, a correlation meter is basically going to be your best friend. So what the correlation meter displays is the phase relationship between the left and right channels of a stereo signal. A correlation of +1, which is here in the far right position, means that the left and right channels correlate 100%. They are completely in phase. This results in a mono signal. And I'm going to show you that in a second. A correlation of 0, the center position, indicates that the widest permissible left-right channel divergence is occurring. So it results in a wide stereo effect. So correlation values lower than 0 indicate that out of phase material could be present. This can lead to phase cancellations if the stereo signal is played through a mono speaker, changing the sound of your mix. And of course, a correlation of -1, which is the furthest left position, indicates that the left and right signals are identical but with the opposite polarity, which mutes the entire stereo signal when it's played back in mono. So with all this information in mind, how do you actually remove this phase cancellation? So what we're going to do is a little demo of a MIDI track in Diva. You can see here, I'm going to just solo this, and it's playing, it's a bass line, but it's playing a lead. So let's just take a quick listen to it. It's going to Span. So in Span, you can see it's hovering in the correct phase area, but sometimes it's going into phase cancellation. So what does that mean? So it means when you're listening to it on a mono speaker, you're going to get a lot of reduced energy. In fact, that low end, even on a stereo signal, will sound reduced energy. In fact, maybe a reduced overall volume. So what we can do here is we can grab a utility plugin and we can reduce the width all the way down to mono, and you'll see the impact that it will have. Let's just start with everything at normal width, and we'll go into Span. And let's just reduce the mono down to 0. And you can see here, it's at 1. So sometimes reducing the width of the overall sound will actually remove the phase cancellation or reduce it drastically. But sometimes you don't want to remove the width because that could overall make the sound a little bit dull. So there's a few things you could do to remove phase cancellation and get it above the 0 button. So let's just go into the Pro Q4 by FabFilter, which is a really nice EQ. But you can do this using Ableton's EQ8, of course. Now what we're going to do is we're going to just go in and cut the low side. So we'll just take the stereo signal, cut the low side like that. And that is basically what we're going to do, is remove any stereo material that is below 50 Hertz. And we can go into Span to check out the impact that it will have. So let's just do that now. So you see straight away it's above 0 all the time. It is moving up and down a little bit, so we can reduce it further. So that is definitely one technique you can use. The other thing you could do is you can actually go into the plugin itself and you can maybe remove some of the chorus effects or the reverb effects. So let's see what that actually does. We'll switch the EQ off here. So let's go ahead, and you can see Span is going all over the place. So we can just switch off the chorus effect and the reverb effect. And you can see straight away you have this basically almost mono sound. So let's just add the reverb back, and let's just reduce the amount. And straight away that fixes the problem. So the other thing you'll notice is by removing all of that low end side signal, you actually have more headroom to play with. So let's go and listen to the signal with and without the Pro Q. So we'll start without the Pro Q, and we'll have a look at the volume levels. So this is without, and this is with. So straight away you've gained like 1 dB, 1.5 dB of headroom just by removing that side signal from the low end. Now we're going to try it with a sample which is completely out of phase. Now it's kind of like a lo-fi sample, so sometimes it may work, it depends on the production. Sometimes having phase cancellation doesn't always make it bad. So let's listen to the correlation meter for this particular sample. So you can see there it is -0 most of the time. But once again, if we make it mono, even a little bit more mono, it will stay in phase. But once again, it removes a lot of the energy from the song doing that. So the best way forward for this is to use an EQ. And once again, I've got that side signal, but it's not quite working here. You have to move it quite a lot for it to actually work. And then you've removed a lot of the energy from the song. So in this example, what's the best way to fix the phasing here? So what I would recommend here is we create a notch here for stereo placement to be side like we had before. We're going to just reduce that side signal. We'll have a low cut like that. So it's going to definitely reduce it, but it will remove a lot of the energy that it had before. So what we can do is add another notch here. And we can make this a mid signal and just boost some of the mid signals at the lower frequencies. And if that doesn't really work very well, you can also just reduce the width just slightly. And there you have it. So even though this one was completely out of phase, there are ways you can fix it by adjusting the mid position and the side positions and adjusting some of the width. So this is a really cool way to check all of the tracks in your song, and also a way to check that your actual master is also in phase. That rarely happens, but doesn't hurt to check.